Hello everyone. Today we will talk how to speak English fluent and step by step. First of all, you have to think why English is important, and in this time everybody wants to speak in English but they don't have special strategies to learn English. I will tell you, you can learn English within 1 month. Yes, you had me right. If you have 1 month, then you can give to your English language and you can learn it very fast and a very easy way. First of all, what you have to do, just try to understand the importance of learning English. Why English is important in this days, everyone. You I think you have watched a lot of girls, lot of people, they are making videos of English, how to learn, how to learn 7 days. No, we can't learn in 7 days in this language. It will become fluent. Fluency will take some time because this is a long journey. We have to understand the process of learning English, and it is based only in a practice. If you will do practice more, then you will learn more. So first of all, try to understand the method of practice. How will you do practice? And I made a lot of videos based on practice. You can go and watch and you can improve your spoken English with help of practice. In this video I am just telling to you how to learn English step by step. So you heard everywhere, listen English, listen. So listening, what is the best method to listen? Whenever you will listen, then be careful, very careful. Yes, this is the best method to listening. If your mind is another way, another places, then it will not be resultful. So if you want to do effective listening, then be careful. First of all, if you are not understanding everything, it's okay, let it do and go down, go up. Don't think, don't worry about it. And this the best method to listen. And you practice, how will you do? I share to you how will you do. And according to your level you have to do listening, and according to your level you have to practice, and you have to start your speaking English very easy and very softly. You can do conversation with yours in your home. You have to, you if you have any kind of worry, you can talk to your mother also. Don't worry if she is not understanding, but you have to, whatever you want to say in Hindi, try to make the sentence into English. This, yes, I am also doing like this. If you want to, please do this. If you are not able to do this, so you are wasting your lot of time to behind this language, because a lot of people wants to speak but anybody is not here, they are speaking in front of you. So please understand carefully and do this. Practice. If you're 50% practice based on English and 50% the other parts, I am telling to you the real truth of behind the speaking English, not the false. Is this 100% sure? I am. You have to follow this and practice more, and then you will learn more. Do you know, in one day comes in our day, in our life, we said, now I will use only English, and then just 2 hours or 4 hours after we forget about it and just we use only Hindi because our mind don't want to speak. It's happened with me. So how you will figure out and fix it out? Just train your mind, became the habit of this. Remind your mind to your mind. This is very important for me. Don't forget it. I have to speak. I will have to speak. I should speak. And I must speak. So you will have to make lot of efforts on this. Then you can do this. So keep practicing, keep learning. Thanks for watching. Thanks. Subscribe for more.